Hi, I'm Kristen, owner of Been Beyond. Today's Inferno exercise is Pilates Crunches. Pilates Crunches are a little bit different than a regular crunch because you use the neutral spine alignment versus the C-spine alignment. This neutral spine alignment allows you to get more strength in the lower layers of the abdomen, the transversus abdominis. Pilates Crunches work both that outer layer, that six-pack rectus abdominis that we can all see, but like I said, also the deeper layers. They are a great alternative to regular crunches, but like all of our Inferno exercises, form is key to protect your back and to get the most out of it. Let's take a look. Lie down on your back. Bend your knees and bring your knees directly over your hips. Shin bones parallel to the floor, feet hip width apart, dorsiflexion at your ankles. That means pull your toes back towards your knees. This alignment is important so that you give all of your abdominal muscles the proper opportunity to engage. Avoid bringing the knees in too close and relaxing those lower layers. Bring the knees over your hips, interlock your 10 fingers behind your head, elbows wide. Neutral spine again is what distinguishes this crunch from regular crunches. Make sure there's the small gap under the lower back. Pull your navel in. Keep your elbows wide. Inhale by your nose. Exhale by your mouth and crunch up. Inhale as you lower down and exhale as you lift. When you use your breath properly, you will get more out of this exercise. Another common misalignment is to bring the elbows in and crank on the neck. Not only is this bad for your neck, but it also misses the opportunity to find the strength at your center. Instead, keep your elbows wide, chin slightly lifted, and work to get your chest and shoulders up as much as possible. Pull your navel in at the top and create the strong core that you want. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and we hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.